How to change Apple Music payment method. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Music app. You will land to the home page. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option account settings. Now head over to the option manage payments. If you have set a payment method on your Apple Music, it's gonna appear in this page. Now you have to click on it and then click on the option of remove. After you remove it, in order to add a new payment method, click on add payment, then provide your payment details, card number, expiration date, and CVV, likewise billing address. After you fill up all these, click on done. With that, your payment method will be updated on Apple Music. So this way you can easily change Apple Music payment method. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.